Hey guys, as we all know, tracking an Android phone using an iPhone is a troublesome issue. At one point or more, you find that your phone was stolen or you suddenly misplaced it. This moment you need another device to track it. The AirDroid Parental Control app came into being. It allows you to track your lost or misplaced Android phone from your iPhone in real time. First, install AirDroid Parental Control on your iPhone. Sign up for an AirDroid account and then sign in. Follow the instructions in AirDroid Parental Control to install the AirDroid Kids on your kid's Android smartphone and connect the device. In finding a missing Android from iPhone, AirDroid Parental Control is the best phone tracker out there, and this app features a powerful tracker that tracks the location of any connected device and provides extremely high accuracy when tracking. It keeps track of your lost phone in real time. You can see their exact location on a map and receive real-time updates about their status. As a result, you'd be able to pinpoint its specific location easily. With the help of the AirDroid Parental Control app, it is easy to search the location history of your lost phone, and it allows the users to know about the location of their spouses, friends, and family. The app users can quickly get the device's location history and learn about past routes. AirDroid Parental Control is a powerful parent control app to protect children. You can set up geofences around places like school or home and get alerts when your child enters or leaves those areas, so you know when they're headed back home after school or running out to play with friends. Besides, it boasts of incredible features, such as remotely monitoring your kid's phone surroundings, screen time control, games and apps blocking, sync notifications and SMS, location tracking, instant alerts, and much more. Okay, that's all for today's video. For your convenience, we have left the download link of AirDroid Parental Control in the description below. You can also sign up for our site to enjoy a 3-day trial for free. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.